Inside, and I won't belabor this. Let's just say the M760Li xDrive is exquisitely appointed, an exemplary expression of European design in wood, metal, leather and fabric. Front seat occupants are treated to superb craftsmanship and the most pleasing of surfaces. The driver gets an electronic gauge cluster, bolt head-up display and uncomplicated controls that manage sophisticated vehicle systems. Wi-Fi keeps everyone connected. I will mention that the car features gesture control, whereby the driver can activate communications and entertainment functions by the wave of a hand or the point of a finger. In 4-seat configuration, rear occupants get what appear to be 2 capacious bucket seats, one of which, the captain chair, reconfigures itself in the seat in front in order to supply a reclined position with elevated footrests, a desktop and surfaces for your laptop and containers for your beverages. Watching the front seat head restraint apparently bowing deference, as the entire seat makes itself scarce as something to behold. It's not standard equipment, mind you, requiring an extra $10,000 for the Executive Lounge Tier 2 package, in which it is featured. For this price you also receive the 4-seat configuration, massage, ventilation, rear entertainment and BMW Touch command via a removable Samsung tablet. The exterior, our vehicles were finished in frozen dark brown, one of a family of frozen colors and finishes available at added cost, is agreeable and familiar enough, but on the road the M760Li xDrive basically blends in, its already conservative lines not requiring help from a matte paint job. The 20-inch wheels do provide a flash of character, and the presence of V12-specific aluminum enhancements in the front and rear fasciae hint that this is a special model. What kind of stealth luxury, I thought. A bit too stealth, perhaps. Despite its startling off-the-line performance and uncanny handling and braking abilities, the M760Li xDrive is admittedly not an M7. It is, as one BMW rep agreed, M-Light. This explains why on public roads and everyday driving, even in sport mode on twisty mountain roads around Palm Springs, the car for me was less of a sport machine than expected. The roar implied by the BMW press materials is more of an aggressive purr, and despite all the sophisticated electronic technologies, one does feel the weight of the car on tight corners, where handling